Are you looking for the perfect drink for spring or summer? Well, today we are making a delicious Brazilian lemonade that is so refreshing. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen. And we're not actually using lemons, we're using limes. So I have 4 limes here and I just cut off the ends of my limes and I do have them still fully peeled. If you have smaller limes, you can use 5 or 6, but because these are fairly large, I'm only going to use 4 today. Next, I'm going to be adding in some sugar. So I just have a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar going in. And I think this is one of the stars of this drink. It's sweetened condensed milk. This stuff is so delicious. And I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup and then taste it and see if I want to make it sweeter or if it's good. Because this is really how sweet you like things. So I added just a cup of water to make this easy to blend together. Now that it's completely blended, I am going to strain out all the pulp because you don't want a pulpy lemonade. Now that I strained all of the pulp out, I'm just going to transfer this to a measuring cup so that I don't pour it everywhere when I add it to my pitcher. And now I'm also going to add 4 cups of water to this because right now that lime flavor is super strong, so we do want to dilute it a little bit. And I'm just going to give it a quick stir and a taste test to see if I want to add any more sweetness to it. I think it's quite good, but I think it's a little bitter just because I did add so much lime to it. So I am going to add a little bit more of my sweetened condensed milk. Alrighty. That's good. So now I just added a few freshly cut limes to my glass. And if you want to make this boozy, you can add some rum to it. Last time I made it, I did exactly that. I added 2 ounces of white rum. I think coconut rum would also be delicious in it. It's just up to you. But today I am not making it a cocktail. I'm just going to have it just as is. And now it's my favorite part, getting to try it. That is so refreshing. Wait, one more sip. Wow. That is so yummy. It's so fresh, and I think it is perfect for spring and summer and those hot days that are around the corner. If you want to see some more of my lemonade recipes, cocktails, and mocktails, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!